Okay, welcome back, trainers. So we are here with another remote lucky trade. Let's see. I'm after something regional. Let's see what they want for it. Yep, Squawkabilly. That's what I want. I'm guessing they're gonna want a Relicanth, but we'll see. Let's see what they want. Ooh, ooh. Let's give him G-Max Charizard background. It's a pretty crazy trade, but YOLO. See how this will go. Oof, this is definitely one-sided, but all good. I have plenty of those background Charizards. So, yes, here we go. Lucky, and did we get the hundo? No. All good. Another trade done, and thanks for listening, watching. See you in the next one. Catch you later.